Let's go. My plan worked. My early bird plan worked. I'm starting DoorDash, guys. It's 5:20 right now, and I got a DoorDash order at IHOP. $9.25. Let's get it. Where's the staff? Oh no. Where's the staff? Come on. Please don't have me waiting this morning. No! Yo, I didn't understand what that man was saying. He came to me with the food. He was all like, DoorDash, DoorDash. I said, huh? I said, no, Ben. His name is Ben F. He said, DoorDash. I said, no, not a DoorDash. Ben F. And then I noticed what he was saying. He said, DoorDash. I said, oh, DoorDash. Yeah, DoorDash. I thought he was saying a Doya.
Next stop up at the hometown, looking like I'm still the man. I see some epitomes of what it's like to finish last.
So we are here this morning doing a DoorDash order. My plan is working. I was like, okay, let me try to do DoorDash, right? So early this morning I woke up and I was like, you know what? Let's try to make some extra money before Instacart drop and do a DoorDash order, right? So I started my shift at 5 a.m. There was nothing at 5 a.m. I got a dash for $9.25, and that was at about 5:25. And so that's what I'm doing right now. It's an IHOP order. The only downside to this is that I'm going against traffic right now. You see? Traffic's on the other side. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So that means when I come back this way to do Instacart, I'm gonna be stuck in some traffic. But hey, look, we already running it up. 9:25 before 6 a.m. Let's get it, team, run it up. You already know what to do. All right, team, run it up. So here's the situation. Here's the situation. We did one DoorDash order for almost 10 bucks, right? And then we made our way to do Instacart. Now, it's slow today. It's slow Instacart today. I missed a 55. That was the only good order I seen. And that was around like 6 a.m. It's now 7:10 a.m. A whole hour's gone past. Haven't gotten anything. Also, my buddy's right there. He said the same exact thing. You know, there's a couple other shoppers over there. Everybody's waiting around. There was only one good order, and he didn't even see that good order. I don't know how I seen it. I was on the highway. But this is how I'm gonna play it today. If it's slow like this today, I know what I'm looking for. Low miles. That's it. Low miles. I don't really care how many items. Low miles at the store I know, just so I can bang them out, in hopes to get a banger in the midst of that. All right, so there's so many shoppers in the parking lot. I just took a 24, but I'm gonna walk in like I took a banger. Psychologically messed them up. Watch this. Yeah, bro. I'm fired up. Oh, I forgot to turn off my lights. That's awkward. That's awkward. Now he's asking me what I got. Huh? 2-4. Yeah, that's it. It's close. Yo, he asked me what I got. He was like, yo, what you get? See, so awkward. I had to go back to turn off my lights and got caught in my tracks. Anyway, let's run this up. Yo, I just got an add-on order. Which brings this batch to a $53 batch. It was a $29 add-on. Now it's a little further, actually a lot further, but that's all right. This is a 53 at 7 a.m. I'll take it. Didn't see this before. I'll definitely take that. Team, run it up. Let's get it. They're making me work today. They're like, yo, you ain't getting it easy today. Oh, man. It said it was supposed to take me an hour to finish this batch. I finished it in under an hour for sure, but still, it was a lot, and the delivery's kind of far. So anyways, let's load this up and see how long it's gonna take in total.
Stop up at the hometown, looking like I'm still the man. I see some epitomes of what it's like to finish last. I wonder what it's like to drop and ain't feeling that. Been through a lot, but I ain't never had to deal with that.
Rough start this morning, but we catching a little bit of that TAT, that turnaround time, right? We just delivered that order, got back to the store. Before we actually got back to the store, we swiped a $19 delivery only, which I need these 2 carts for. Right here, let me grab another one. And it's only $8.50 right now, I believe. So this is definitely another batch before Costco. Should put us around 70, well, plus the DoorDash order, should put us around 80 bucks before Costco, which is not bad. Let's get it. Pretty easy pickup, not gonna lie. Super simple. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. 4 bags and 2 things of water. Easy. What are you at for the day so far?
46.
4.6? Look on the.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, 7.72. I did, remember the one you see me do this morning?
Yeah, the 24.
24, I got an add-on, bro.
Oh, great, bro.
Yeah, add-on turned into 7.53.
Oh, that's great.
29,
another 20.
29 add-on, yeah. And then after that, I did a 19 delivery only.
Oh, that's great, bro.
And I did a DoorDash
You did it DoorDash?
this morning. Bro, I told you.
Oh, before 4 a.m.?
4 a.m. I woke up at 4 a.m., but I didn't turn it on until 5. And I got an IHOP for $10.
IHOP, yeah.
Almost $10, yeah. And we about to look for batches. We both out here swiping. Look, we swiping.
Yeah.
He's swiping. We about to look for batches. I'll see y'all in a second. Peace. So I was on my way to the Costco drop, man, and then I got a regular grocery store order, $46, single shop. So I'm like, all right, I'll do it. You know, I didn't even look at the miles. I auto swiped it, but when I looked at the miles, it's about an 18-minute delivery. So, and it's 50 item shop, but it's at a store that I know how to crush. So we about to just run this up. Let's get it. Team, run it up. You already know what it is. We ain't complaining. We making money. It is what it is. Let's do it. 50 item shop, single shop though. At least it's a single. I had to take the jacket off for this one because I'm about to go in here. I ain't playing no games. About to crush it. Let's get it. Yo, team, run it up. This order was a setup. It was a setup order. Woo. Look at it. Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, this order was such a big setup. But you know what? They got the perfect person to do it because I'm gonna crush it. Let's go. Look at, oh my gosh, bro. Single order, all these items. And I finished the shopping in around 30 minutes. Whoo, I crushed it. Let's get it. Yo, team, run it up. I was eating my lunch, some salmon and a salad, and I swiped a 25. And then they gave me a $19 add-on on top. So we about to crush this 44. I think I did that math right. Let's get it. I got set up again. Oh, heck nah, man. I came outside with the order, and my man gonna park right next to me with his license plate that say "Get Rich." He telling, yo, he trying to do me dirty. Like, it's all right, Prius. We gonna get there. We gonna get there. The feet up, the shoes off. Oh man, that's when you know it's slow. That's when you know it's slow out here, man. Dang. And it's 1:24 right now, p.m. So this is not a good day. It started to slow down out of nowhere. Now a couple towns over, it's doing better than this, but I don't feel like driving back over there. Just because it's a 30-minute drive and traffic is gonna be coming from that way to this way. So to get home, I'll be stuck in a ton of traffic. So I'm just gonna test my luck out here. Put me in, coach. Put me in the game, coach. We just swiped the 49 Costco. We back at it, let's get it. 28 items, double, 5 miles. So this should be not too bad. I'm gonna go in here with the roar face. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to crush this batch. Let's get it. I've been sitting way too long. Let's get it. And we packed up. Let's get it. You know, I don't know if this happens with anybody else, but at Costco, when you try to replace something in Costco and the app don't know what item that is, you got to go through support to add it and all that stupid stuff. So that took me an additional like 10 minutes just to do that, man. But yeah, we on our way. We running it up. It's all good. Y'all see the colors. Y'all know what we are. Right back at it. Costco. We swiped the 43, but it's 12 miles, the delivery. Oh, I don't feel like driving it. But hey, it is what it is because we creeping up on that time. Cha-ching!